I'm Tori Popp. I'm a physical therapist with PT Center for Women in Appleton. I'm from Brillion, Wisconsin, and I played pretty much every sport you can play there. And growing up, you see all sorts of people get injured and end up in physical therapy. I took an interest in it and went to college at Carroll University in Waukesha for my undergrad and graduate degree. Started off in outpatient orthopedics, treating a lot of those sports injuries, and quickly realized that there was a piece missing. A lot of new moms or women as they age, they just needed more, something else, that extra piece. So women's health sort of fell into my lap and I loved it. I treat women of all ages, a little bit of everything from head to toe, but I really love to treat pre and postpartum women, getting them ready for that journey. A lot of times the focus is just on the baby, and I really like to bring the focus back to the mom and help them reach whatever goal that might be. So if it's returning to running after they have the baby, or not having back pain when they're breastfeeding, whatever that goal may be. The thing that I like most about my job is that I get to spend a lot of time with my patients. I get to hear their story from beginning to end, and sometimes I'm the only one who's heard all of the pieces. They may have told a certain provider something and someone else a different piece, but it's not really until you put the whole piece together, maybe even something that happened 20 years ago or in childhood, that makes the difference in their care. So for me, that's the coolest part about my job, is I get to help listen, empower, educate, and then provide hands-on treatment to help people meet whatever goals they might be trying to achieve.